Leadership styles are crucial for project management. Did you know that 30% of project failures are due to poor leadership?
Wow, that's surprising. There are 6 different types of leadership styles: autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, transformational, transactional, and situational. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses.
Interesting. Can you give me an example of each leadership style?
Sure. Autocratic leaders make all decisions themselves, while democratic leaders involve their team in decision-making. Laissez-faire leaders give their team autonomy, while transformational leaders inspire their team to achieve their goals. Transactional leaders reward or punish their team based on performance, and situational leaders adapt their leadership style to the situation at hand.
Thanks for explaining that. Which leadership style do you think is best for project managers?
It depends on the project and team. However, research shows that a combination of transformational and situational leadership is the most effective for project managers. It allows them to inspire their team while adapting to the specific needs of the project.
That makes sense. I've also heard that emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in effective leadership. What are your thoughts on that?
Absolutely. Emotional intelligence allows leaders to understand and manage their own emotions as well as their teams. It's essential for building strong relationships and effective communication within the team.
Thanks for your insights. Effective leadership is clearly a complex topic, but understanding the different styles and the importance of emotional intelligence is a great starting point.
Agreed. Let's keep supporting each other and becoming better leaders.
Definitely. And always remember, a good leader takes a little more than their share of the blame and a little less than their share of the credit.